Hi and welcome to my video of my brand new Heljan Class 45 Peak. It has arrived today from Tower Models, and as you can see, not everything is well. Now I will say a couple of little bits have been broken off in postage, but then it's come all the way from the UK to Australia at the hands of the Royal Mail and Ozpost, so some little bits of issues are sort of expected. It's the risk you take. There was additional packing, so it hasn't been too badly damaged. Now I do have a piece of damage, and one of the bits of damage is this piece of bracket here, which is the rear part of the bogie frame is snapped off, both lugs. Now that is due to the fact that in there you have two bolt holes, one there and one there, and they come through the baseboard and screw into the bottom of the loco, and that is what is used by Heljan to secure it in the box. Now Tower Models did additionally put a few extra bits of foam in there to try and secure it, and lots of fragile with care stickers over everything, but that doesn't seem to worry the post office companies that are used around the world. They seem to ignore that. But anyway, there is one other issue that is a manufacturing issue. And if we come into here, here's the gear chain for the drive from the motors. Now, when I tested it with my little power supply here, 1, 2, 3 motors, three wheel sets were all running, but this one wasn't. So I'm scratching my head. I've taken it apart because I thought, oh well, perhaps the wheel set wasn't seated properly and it wasn't engaging the gears correctly. But that isn't the case. What is the case, thanks to my trusty vernier calipers, this last gear here doesn't engage properly with this gear or the gear on the axle. That's because it's about 1 millimeter too small. It's the wrong gear. So because of that manufacturing error, I can't blame Tower Models for that. That is a manufacturing error. But Heljan seem to be dropping the ball again. Other than that, the detail on the loco, I had a couple of little bent lamp brackets, but like I say, it's been around the world at the hands of the postal service, so those delicate little things get broken. What is unfortunate is I can't just play with this loco now. I have to do some repairs. A couple of other little bits that have got damaged are the brackets here. There's 4 on each, which are the sandbox pipe brackets, and a couple of those are broken, and here's one of them here snapped off. Can't do much about that. It's not really a major issue, but this is the wrong gears fitted to the loco. So I've sent an email off to Tower Models, and we'll see what they come up with. It's unfortunate because it's a beautiful looking engine. We'll wait and see what Tower suggests I do, and what they will do to rectify the problem, because I bought it from Tower Models. I hope they don't just say, well, get in touch with Howes, because I bought it from them. So yeah, I'll give you an update when I find out what happens.